Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and Abhishek Bachchan have been at the center of divorce rumors for months, but the couple seems happier than ever. Recently, Abhishek addressed the speculations, calling them malicious and completely untrue. He said, "If you're a public figure, people are going to speculate about every little thing. Whatever rubbish has been written is absolutely false. None of it is based on fact, it's just wrong and intentionally hurtful." To put an end to any doubts, the couple rang in New Year 2026 together with their daughter Aradhya in New York City. While glimpses of their holiday celebrations surfaced earlier, new, unseen photos have now emerged showing the couple posing happily with fans in Manhattan. The photos, shared by Aishwarya's fan pages, capture the couple in high spirits. Aishwarya looked stunning in a black sequin top paired with black pants, accessorized with a black sling bag. She kept her hair open, and her makeup was flawless, highlighted by bright red lipstick. Abhishek looked dapper in an off-white sweater paired with baggy denim jeans, completing the picture-perfect moment. Earlier, a video showed Aishwarya and Abhishek posing with a fan in front of a Christmas tree, while another clip featured Aishwarya sharing a heartfelt New Year message for her fans. "Here's wishing you a very happy New Year, God bless and all my love always," she said. On the professional front, Abhishek is gearing up for Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming action thriller King, where he will reportedly play the antagonist. Meanwhile, Aishwarya was last seen in Mani Ratnam's magnum opus Ponniyin Selvan 2, playing a double role alongside Vikram, Jayam Ravi, Karthi, Trisha Krishnan, and Prabhu. With these unseen photos and their public statements, Aishwarya and Abhishek not only put divorce rumors to rest but also remind fans why they remain one of Bollywood's most loved couples, celebrating life, love, and family together. Kriti Sanon may not have made any official statement about her love life, but her recent appearances seem to be telling a different story. The actress has once again found herself at the center of dating rumors with Kabir Bhaiya, and this time, it is not just fan theories online. Instead, it is a set of pictures shared by Kabir himself on Instagram, and you wouldn't want to miss it. Kabir shared a carousel of photos from Nupur Sanon and Stebin Ben's wedding with the caption, "Amazing memories and people." While the first picture saw him posing with producer Dinesh Vijan and Stree to director Amar Kaushik, it was the third slide that truly caught everyone's attention. The photo featured Kabir and Kriti together, standing close to each other, looking comfortable and stylish in each other's company. For the occasion, Kriti opted for a striking teal green gown while Kabir kept it classic in an all-white outfit. The carousel offered more glimpses of the wedding celebrations. One picture showed Kabir posing with Kriti and Varun Sharma during the Haldi ceremony. Another captured a candid, light-hearted moment between Kabir and groom Stebin Ben. A separate image appeared to be from the Mumbai reception, where the rumored couple poses with other family members. The comments section was equally interesting as Nupur Sanon reacted with a playful comment, "Excuse me, whose wedding is this? Why was I not there?" While Varun Sharma added, "Bhai," followed by a handful of red heart emojis. Kriti and Kabir have been rumored to be dating for months now. The speculation picked up pace when Kriti and Kabir were spotted arriving at the airport together in the same car ahead of Nupur Sanon's wedding to singer Stebin Ben. The intimate wedding took place in Udaipur, attended by close friends and family, and quickly became a talking point online, not just for the celebrations but for Kabir's presence throughout the festivities. Despite the growing buzz, neither Kriti nor Kabir has confirmed their relationship. Though Kriti had earlier hinted at her personal life on Twinkle Khanna and Kajol's show Too Much. When asked about her crush, she admitted that it was not from the industry. On the work front, Kriti was last seen in Anand L. Rai's Tere Ishq Mein alongside Dhanush. Rashmika Mandanna has been riding a massive wave of success in 2025. With big hits like Chhaava, The Girlfriend, and Thama, the actress has clearly cemented her position as one of the biggest stars right now. But not every film had the same fate. One movie that turned out to be a major disappointment was Sikandar, starring Salman Khan and Rashmika Mandanna, and directed by A.R. Murugdose. Released on Eid 2025, the film failed badly at the box office and reportedly didn't even recover its massive budget. Now, Rashmika has finally opened up about what really went wrong. In a recent interaction, Rashmika made a shocking revelation about Sikandar. She revealed that the script she heard during the narration was very different from what finally made it to the screen. Rashmika said, "Sikandar, I remember talking to Murugdose sir. Of course, later what happened was very different. But when I heard the script, it was indeed quite a different script." She further explained how such changes are actually common in filmmaking. Rashmika added, "Generally that happens with films. When you listen to something, it is one story that you have listened to, but over the making of the film, things change according to the performances, according to the edits, and according to the time of the release. Things change, and that is very common. So that happened with Sikandar." According to reports, Sikandar was made on a budget of around 200 crore rupees, but Saknilk reports suggest the film managed to earn only 185 crore rupees worldwide, making it a box office disaster. Meanwhile, Rashmika has a packed lineup ahead. She will next be seen in Cocktail 2 alongside Shahid Kapoor and Kriti Senon. She is also working on a Telugu film titled Maisa, and there's more buzz around her personal life too. Reports claim Rashmika might tie the knot with her actor boyfriend Vijay Deverakonda in February 2026, though there's no official confirmation yet. What do you think about Rashmika's revelation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.